Aerospace multiprocess automatic CNC machine tools market. By types, by application, by regions. Aerospace multiprocess automatic CNC machine tools market overview. The report aspects discuss the profile of the top manufacturers of the global aerospace multiprocess automatic CNC machine tools market. These aspects include the financial status of major companies, trending advancements, and the entire market scenario. Growth of the report has examined aerospace multiprocess automatic CNC machine tools market production, demand and growth potential, geographic analysis, as well as current market developments in various regions and countries. Registering a CAGR of 6.3% over the forecast period, the market value of aerospace multiprocess automatic CNC machine tools is expected to reach $128.410 million in the year 2027. Key players: Yamazaki Mazak, DMG Mori Seiki, Okuma Corporation, Makino Corporation, Haas Automation, Doosan Infracore, GF Machining Solutions. Market segmentation. By type: CNC lathe, CNC milling machine, CNC grinding machine, others. By application: civil, military, others. Key highlights: Amada Company Limited completes acquisition of Miyachi Corporation. Thank you for watching us. For more information visit us at IndustryDataAnalytics.com.